The redevelopment of Patna Medical College and Hospital is a EPC project with a built-up area of 7.8 million square feet. The project scope includes the construction of a 5,462-bed hospital, a medical college, and associated facilities. This redevelopment project faces the unique challenge of maintaining all existing facilities of PMCH fully functional. PMCH is one of the biggest hospitals with heavy medical traffic, along with students residing within the campus, thereby making this campus extremely congested for traffic movement. There are numerous temples, more than 20, and 4 river ghats adjacent to the Pious Ganga, with access through the PMCH campus. On special occasion, pilgrims frequently commute through the campus to offer their prayers, which makes the movement of construction equipment difficult. The roads within the campus are very narrow, hence it's very challenging to manage the logistics for this type of mega construction. Rerouting existing services throughout the campus is challenging as no drawings are available for the same. Due to space constraints, temporary infrastructure facilities are developed outside the campus, around 17 kilometers from the project site. The entire redevelopment will be executed in 3 phases. Phase 1 of the hospital block consists of 1494 beds. The area has been handed over in 7 stages. However, construction work has continued progressively as per the available front. The building has reached up to the terrace level in major areas at Tower 1 and Tower 2. At the STP area, foundation work started in February 2023 after concluding the alternate route for LMO vehicles. In Misri Ghat area, construction activity started in January 2024. Sequential finishing and MEP activities are in progress in Tower 1 and Tower 2. A central utility block is proposed to cater to utility services for the hospital. Facilities such as a laundry, blood bank, central kitchen, parking, and night shelter facilities for 750 attendants. Finishing and MEP work have been completed up to the 5th floor. The decision has been made to temporarily relocate the OPD to the 1st, 3rd, and 4th floors, and the medical surgical store to the ground floor. The nurses' hostel aims to accommodate 550 working nurses on campus. The entire footprint has been handed over in 4 stages. By September 2021, we had acquired 60% of the footprint progressively. Construction activity started in the remaining footprint once the existing central dispensary was shifted in September 2022. Now, major civil finishing and MEP works have been completed in this building. The girls' hostel shall provide accommodation for 800 medical students. The entire girls' hostel footprint has been handed over in 3 stages. Part A finishing and MEP work have been majorly completed, while in Part B, structural activity has been completed. Sequential finishing and MEP activities are in progress. A multi-level car parking, MLCP-01, block is proposed to cater to parking requirements of campus of 715 cars. Entire footprint has been handed over in 5 stages. By Sep 21, 61% footprint has been handed over. Construction also started in balance footprint afterwards the shifting of existing central dispensary. And now major work has been completed in this building.